How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Facebook password even without your Gmail or phone number. So to do that simply head over to your browser and type in the command which I show you here. Just search I can't reset my Facebook and like this, and the first option will pop up here and which says recover your Facebook account. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, wait for some time, and after you see this page, you simply click on like this. So once you come over this page, you can simply click on this link over here. Even if your account wasn't hacked, this might help you do something about it. Yeah, from here, and once you click on here, it will ask you to just any option. Click any option from here and simply check here. Wait for some time for it to process it, and once you get this option, simply click on continue, and you can change your password from here and simply click on OK. So once you type in your new password, click on continue, and you can simply, it will ask you to check your recent activities. You can continue by clicking either whether you have done that or not. So as I've done that, I would simply click on continue, and you can simply go to the newsfeed from here, and just like that, you have successfully recovered your Facebook account without email or password or phone numbers. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.